Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a fun one for you if you like Boxycharm anyway. So I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm for August. I actually have 3 boxes behind me. I have 2 base boxes and 1 of the premium. So one of them is PR, one I purchased, and then my premium I also purchased. So we're just gonna go through all of them today. I usually don't buy the base box, but since Lux is coming up, then I always have to re-sign up again. So I've kind of been just signed up for a few months to get another base box, which is kind of fun sometimes because I do sometimes get different items in them. So let's go ahead and unbox. Alright, so the first one here, this is my paid for base box, $25 a month full-size products, and I always get asked on weights and stuff like that, so I will put that in the description box if I know the weights of any of these boxes, so you guys could see if you might be getting one of these variations if you haven't got your box yet. But I feel like they're better at shipping this month, and they've been not super slow this time around, although I did just get my premium today. Okay, so we have the card here. It says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. So I don't know if that's like a theme. It just seems like a summer theme. I guess boxy glamping is what the back says. So first up, I got this. This is from QMS. This is a product that I picked out because the other choices were products I already owned already, so I didn't want to get any duplicates. So this is the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. It actually sounded kind of interesting. I know we've gotten some stuff from QMS before. It's really expensive, but I was never familiar with this brand until Boxycharm, so you guys will have to let me know what you think of the QMS brand if you notice a difference in your skin using their products, because they're like in the $100 range. But this retails for $105, and it says it's a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream. So it is going to be tinted, which I'll show you guys as you guys could see the inside, but I don't know how that's going to work for all skin tones. So this is kind of what it looks like, kind of blended out. It's actually not really leaving too much of a tint on me. It kind of looks orangey because it's actually a bit darker than my skin tone. So I'm not sure how it's going to look on a deeper skin tone if you can just maybe use it as a cream, since it's going to be a little bit lighter, but it really doesn't have like much coverage at all. So it's kind of just sinking into the skin there. It does have a pretty strong florally scent, which I'm not a fan of. It's pretty powerful. It actually kind of reminds me of Lush for some reason. But it does remind me of that. But I mean, I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it'll work good. The next thing I got in my base box, this is from AESTHETICA. This is the AESTHETICA Sunset Bronzer. This is what it looks like. I wouldn't say it looks super high-end by any means. It honestly kind of reminds me of Manna Kadar's packaging, which usually their stuff is not the most expensive. So here is the bronzer. I will go ahead and swatch this for you. The formula actually feels pretty soft, and this coloring would also again work for more fair light skin tones. So hopefully they did not send the same shade to everyone, because that would suck. It does work for me though. The shade honestly looks good. It felt good, so although the packaging is a little bit deceiving, I think it could be a good quality item. It retails for $24, and it said it's the perfect shade of amber to bestow a beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. So next up, I got a bunch of these face masks. I don't really use sheet masks anymore, to be honest. I use just like regular masks. I don't really think that they're always the best like quality wise, and they're not always the most eco-friendly. These do have cute packaging though. They are called the Raw Juice masks from ESW Beauty. We got 3 of them. This retails for $18, and it says, renew your skin with these raw juice inspired sheet masks. It will provide revitalizing, moisturizing, and pore control functions similar to a multi-day juice cleanse. Get the best results by targeting each skin concerned with individual masks. So we have the watermelon, rose water, and grapefruit, the activated charcoal, lemon juice. Lemon's not always the best for the skin. Also pineapple, kiwi, pear, ginger. So I don't know if I will use those. I might put them in a giveaway. The next thing I got is from CLARINS. This is their Velvet Lip Perfector. These are actually really nice Boxycharm sent me a couple sneak peeks for August that I posted a video on, and I did get these. So this is in Velvet Rosewood. I would say this is a pretty decent shade to get. It's kind of more on the red side. It looks like this in the packaging. I have already swatched this, so I will probably honestly put this in a giveaway. I think I'm just going to make today's video a big giveaway as well, because I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of giveaway items in here since I do own this already, but it is a pretty good option in the base box. These are really nice on the lips. They really do feel like velvet. This retails for $26 and it does give like a soft blur finish. Okay, and then we also got this palette from Butter London, the Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. I'm actually pretty excited for this. I don't have it yet, and I haven't tried anything from Butter London, especially shadow wise. I don't even know if I have tried their shadows. If I have, it's been a while. So this is what it looks like. It retails for $28. It says it's going to feature highly versatile, cool-toned, neutral hues. So this is the color scheme here. Something we don't get a ton is cool tone, so I'm excited to try this out. And I'll also insert these swatches here for you guys as well. This looks so pretty. I'm pretty excited to have this. And then I kind of like on the inside it says, "Looking good, darling." So that is everything I got in my base box. Not too bad. The only thing I don't really think I'll use is probably, obviously I already had that clearance, but I would have been happy to get that either way. And I probably won't use the sheet mask, to be honest. Let's see what we got in the PR box that Boxycharm gifted me. I do notice that most PR boxes that they send to the smaller influencers my size are usually the same version. My first box is version 15. This PR box is version 14. Now, I did get that same cream, the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, and this one exploded everywhere, so I had a bit of a mess to clean up. So I did get that again in my PR box. Okay, also in my PR box, I'm really excited for these brushes. These are the Morphe brushes. I think Morphe brushes are pretty good. I don't mind them. The only thing I noticed with them is that they do lose their shape a bit after using. I've noticed with some of mine, as like my Sigma brushes, they never lose their shape. No matter how long I've had them. But yeah, you have to definitely be careful with these, but I think they're still really good. I can do really pretty eye looks with them, and I think they're great for blending. So in this set, this is the I Got This set 4-piece eye brush collection. We got the oval shadow brush, Pro Firm blending crease brush, the tapered mini blender brush, and an angle liner brush in here. I once again got this Butter London Teddy Boy palette, so this will be put in today's giveaways. We have 2 of them. I also got this. This is a Big Fat Liner Kohl marker pen. I don't love getting eyeliners. I just never use them. I'm not a big liquid liner person. This one is pretty crazy, so I think I'm going to go ahead and put this one in the giveaway as well. It says that it retails for $25. Always start your eye look with your Big Fat Liner, and you can be as bold as you want. And then also in my base box, I got this Milk makeup product. This is the Cooling Water Eye Patches. I did get this for the sneak peek, so I do own these already, so these will also be put in the giveaway. So most of this box is not really for me, which is totally fine. I knew I would get some duplicates since I did get that sneak peek box to show you guys, but I don't mind obviously giving it back to you, and this can just be a fun way to see the different variations out there. So we got these cooling gel packs for the under eyes. I think it comes with 6 of them, I'm pretty sure, but these are always really fun to use. I like to do them in the morning, and this retails for $22. So that is everything in my PR box. I do actually like my PR box better because I do like the Morphe brushes that we got, but I feel like both boxes were pretty good. This PR box might have had a little bit more well-known brands, but I'm pretty excited about the other stuff in my paid for box as well. Okay, moving on to the Boxycharm Premium. This one does have usually a couple more items than the base box, and it is $35 a month. I do pay for this one myself. Oh, cute. Okay, so first thing, let's just go with the palette. We did get the CIATE London Editor palette. I feel like everyone is getting this in the premium, if I'm not mistaken. I think this was actually made for Boxycharm. So this says that it retails for $32. It's inspired by New England in fall. It features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal, I think that's a word, hues. Ooh, this is really pretty. Love the packaging. here is the colors. This looks really nice. Now, some of my shadows do have these little dots on them. I don't think it's been, like, obviously swatched or anything. I think that just happens in transit, but I didn't want to show that. But these colors look beautiful. I like that it has more shimmers and a few just, like, essential matte colors. I will go ahead and leave swatches for you guys, but this honestly looks so gorgeous. I really love this color scheme, and I'm really excited to get it in the Boxycharm Premium. I think this is going to be a really good one. I see lots of high-end brands, you guys. We have Fenty. This is the Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I have so many cream bronzers, so I feel like this would be really nice to sculpt out the cheeks. I was wondering if it fans out a bit more, but yeah, it's actually pretty precise, so you can dip into your like cream contour and just really sculpt out those lines and blend upwards. I'm actually very excited about this, and it's beautiful packaging. So really cool to get another Fenty product. This one retails for $24, and it says that it attaches to your favorite matte skin stick for seamless sculpting and blending in a snap. How does it do that? I don't know. I have one, so I'm going to have to try that out. But yeah, I'm really excited about this brush from Fenty. We also got, I got the Too Faced Born This Way powder. How exciting. This is the Ethereal Setting Powder, and the shade is Translucent. And this is a really good powder. I would say I'm more of the Peach Perfect girl. Like oily skin, I always say Peach Perfect matte powder. But this one's really good for a dry combination skin, and I do like to use it from time to time. If I want just a more luminous look, or if I don't want that super matte look, like especially for filming, sometimes I like to be a little more glowy. It's not the best long wearing, but really cool to get this in the premium. This retails for $33, and it does say it provides a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you were born this way. I also got MAC, oh my goodness, and I got a really good shade, although I have this already. This is a MAC lipstick. It's the shade Mocha, which is one of their best sellers. And I'm gonna have to find mine and put up a swatch for you guys here because it's beautiful, but it's such a pretty neutral pinky brown, absolutely stunning. So this is $19, and it says it gives a soft cushiony feel, a medium to full buildable coverage, and a satin finish. This is a really good premium box. I think I got really lucky. I have to see what other variations there are. So I also got, this was my choice product, and I didn't know I was actually getting it for the sneak peek box, so I do have this already. So this will also go in the giveaway. You guys are getting some really good stuff. This is the HENRIKSEN Banana Bright Face Primer. I have been using this, and I do think it's nice. It does have a pretty strong citrus orange smell, but I really like the smell of it. And it says it's going to instantly illuminate, hydrate, and improve foundation all day. And it has vitamin C as well, which is really good for the mornings. Vitamin C is awesome in skincare, so this is a really good product. It retails for $38. Alright, and then lastly, I got Milk makeup. So pretty much all super well-known brands in this premium box. I think they're definitely stepping it up. This is the Longwear Gel Liner, and I got the shade Bonus, which looks gorgeous. Let me go ahead and show you guys this. Really excited. I don't have any like pencil liners from Milk. I don't like liquid liners, but I do like getting pencil ones. So this is what it looks like, and I love that it's retractable. The packaging is the all white with the Milk makeup logo. Okay, this is absolutely stunning. Like, it's brown, but it has like these gold glitters in it, which makes it so gorgeous. Super creamy as well. Very excited for this in my box. It might be my second favorite thing because I'm really excited for that CIATE palette. This retails for $22. Oh my gosh. Okay, that premium was amazing. I'm so excited about it. I do have a really big giveaway for you guys since I had so many duplicates. So let me go over that real quick. The rules for this giveaway is number one, you must be subscribed to my channel. Of course, we do lots of fun things here. Videos almost every day. Number two, leave a comment down below what brand you would love to see featured in Boxycharm more. I'm really curious to know what you guys would say, and that is how you enter. And let me go over the prizes because there's quite a bit. One of you guys will be winning all of this stuff, and the winner will be picked 2 weeks from today. I will leave their name in the description box, but I also contact you if you leave me your Instagram handle in the comment here's everything that the winner will be getting. The Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette, the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Eye Patches, the CLARINS Velvet Lip Perfector 02 Velvet Rosewood, the QMS Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. You'll be getting all 3 of these ESW Beauty face masks, the MAC lipstick in Mocha, and the Big Fat Liner Kohl Marker pen. I can't wait to see who wins. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and let you go and talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.